While you are manually doing the same repetitive tasks every single day, we've built an army of AI agents that handles everything from lead generation to client onboarding completely on autopilot. In the last 3 months alone, these 8 AI employees have helped businesses generate over $500,000 in additional revenue. And the crazy part, they work 24/7, never take sick days, and cost them less than a single part-time employee. Most business owners are still treating AI like a fancy Google search. But what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about running your business. Because these AI are not just ChatGPT tricks. They are powerful automation systems that can literally replace entire departments. By the end of this video, you will have the exact blueprints I use to automate lead generation, client research, proposal creation, and even customer support. I'm not holding anything back. I'm giving you the actual prompt, the workflows, and the step-by-step process that's helped businesses go from drowning in admin work to scaling past 7 figures. And if you are new here, I'm Jan Bakebongo. I run Accitra AI, an AI automation company that assists businesses grow at scale, leveraging AI tools and systems, not to replace your workforce, but to empower them and achieve more. And over the past 3 years, I've helped businesses automate their way to over $1 million in additional revenue. I'm not here to show you any ChatGPT party tricks. I build real AI systems that handles repetitive work, killing your productivity. So you can stop being a slave to your inbox and start focusing on what actually grow your business. The thing is, most people are using AI completely wrong. They will ask ChatGPT to write an email and they think they are being productive. But what if I told you that you could have AI agents that automatically find your ideal client, research their pain points, create personalized proposals, and even follow up until they book a call with you? And that's exactly what we are diving into today. These 8 AI automation systems that I'm about to show you, they are not theory. They are the exact same systems my clients are using right now to scale the businesses while working fewer hours than ever before. So let's jump right in. Now, before I show you these 8 systems, I needed to understand something crucial. Most business owners are stuck in what I call the manual labor trap. They are working in the business instead of on the business because they think they need to touch every single process. But here's what I discovered after building automation systems for several businesses. The companies making the most money are not the ones working the hardest. They are the ones who figured out how to make the systems work for them. And today, I'm going to show you the exact 8 AI employees that are running $1 million businesses right now. And I'm starting with the one that's probably costing you the most money if you don't have it. AI employee number 1, the lead generation machine. This first AI agent has generated over $50,000 in qualified leads for my clients in the last 6 months alone. While most people are cold calling and getting hung up on, this system is identifying companies that are literally raising their hand saying, "We need help." And here's how it works. Instead of randomly reaching out to businesses, these AI agents searches for specific buying signal. For example, if you are selling marketing services, it finds companies that just posted job openings for market managers. If you are in the tech space, it identifies businesses hiring for digital transformation roles. We had one client, a sales consultant, who was spending 20 hours a week manually researching prospects on LinkedIn. Now, this AI agent does it in 2 hours and finds 10 times more qualified leads. Last month alone, it identified 847 companies showing active buying signals in his niche. The system runs completely on autopilot. It creates detailed prospect profiles and even drafts personalized outreach messages based on each company's specific situation. It's essentially like having a research team working around the clock. Expect it costs less than your monthly coffee budget. AI employee number 2, the proposal writing specialist. This next system has helped our clients close over $2.3 million in deals by creating proposals that actually convert. Most business owners spend hours crafting proposals that sounds exactly like everyone else. And this AI agent creates proposals that speak directly to each prospect. It specifies the pain points. Here's what makes it different. It doesn't just write generic proposals. It researches the prospect's company, analyzes the industry challenges, and creates a customized solution that positions you as the obvious choice. One of our clients, a business consultant, went from 12% proposal acceptance rate to 67% just by implementing this system. The AI agent takes all the discovery information from sales calls and automatically generates proposals that address exactly what the prospect said they needed. And here's the best part. It learns from every proposal. If a proposal gets accepted, it analyzes what worked and applies those elements to future proposals. It's literally getting better at selling for you over time. AI employee number 3, the client research detective. Before we built this system, our clients were going into sales calls blind. Now they know more about the prospects than the prospects know about themselves. This AI agent creates comprehensive research reports on every single prospect before you even get on a call with them. It analyzes the website, social media, recent news, competitor landscape, and even identifies potential objections they might have. I remember one client telling me about a sales call where the prospect was shocked that he knew about a recent company acquisition that hadn't even made it to the news yet. The AI agent had found it in an SEC filing. That level of preparation closed a $50,000 deal on the spot. The system creates what I call conversation ammunition. Specific talking points, relevant case studies, and strategic questions that position you as an industry expert who truly understands their business. AI employee number 4, the content creation factory. This AI employee has created over 10,000 pieces of content for my clients. And here's the crazy part. It maintains your exact voice and style across everything it creates. Most people think AI content sounds robotic or generic, and that's because they're using it wrong. The system analyzes your existing content, learns your writing patterns, and creates content that sounds exactly like you wrote it. One of my clients, a financial advisor, was spending 15 hours a week creating content for LinkedIn, email newsletter, and blog posts. Now, this AI agent handles all of it. And his engagement rates actually went up because the content is more consistent and strategic. And the system doesn't just create random content. It follows a strategic content calendar designed to move prospects through your sales funnel. Every piece of content has a purpose, whether it's building authority, addressing objections, or driving people to book a call. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, this sounds incredible, but how do I actually implement this in my business? I get it. Building these systems requires knowing exactly which tool to use, how to connect them, and most importantly, how to prompt them the correct way. And that's exactly why I offer 30-minute AI strategy sessions where we will look at your current processes, identify your biggest bottlenecks, and show you exactly which of these AI employees would have the biggest impact in your revenue. And here's my warning. These calls might still be free for now, but they might not be free for long. Link is in the description. AI employee number 5, the customer support hero. This specific AI agent has handled over 25,000 customer support tickets with a 94% satisfaction rate. And it never gets tired, never has a bad day, and never transfers someone to 3 different departments. And here's what makes it special. It doesn't just give generic responses. It accesses your entire knowledge base, previous customer interactions, and even integrates with your CRM to provide personalized solutions. We had a client in the software space who was spending $8,000 a month on customer support staff. This AI agent now handles 80% of all inquiries, and customer satisfaction scores actually improved because response times went from hours to seconds. The system learns from every interaction, so it gets smarter over time. It can handle everything from bidding questions to technical troubleshooting. And it knows exactly when to escalate complex issues to human team members. AI employee number 6, the social media manager. This AI agent manages social media accounts that have generated over $500,000 in revenue for my clients. It's not just posting random content. It's using sophisticated engagement campaigns that turns followers into customers. The system monitors your industry for trending topics. Then it creates relevant content that positions you as a thought leader and even engages with potential prospects in your comment sections. It's essentially like having a social media manager who never sleeps and knows exactly what your ideal clients want to hear. One client saw the LinkedIn following grow from 2,000 to 15,000 in 6 months. But most importantly, they booked 23 new clients directly from social media engagement. The AI agent was identifying prospects, starting conversations, and nurturing them until they were ready to buy. AI agent number 7, the email marketing specialist. The system has sent over 2 million emails with open rate that consistently beat industry average by 300%. And it's not sending spam. It's creating personalized email sequences that feel like they are coming from a trusted advisor. The AI agent segments your email list based on behavior. It creates personalized content for each segment and even optimizes send times for maximum engagement. It's running A/B tests on subject lines. It's analyzing which content drives the most clicks and continuously improving on performance. We have a client who went from 2% email conversion rate to 18% just by implementing this system. The AI agent was identifying exactly what each subscriber was interested in and sending them contents that matched their specific needs and buying stage. AI employee number 8, the sales call optimizer. This final AI agent has helped my clients close an additional $3.2 million in sales just by optimizing every aspect of the sales process. It's not just scheduling calls, it's preparing to win every single conversation. Before each sales call, this system creates a complete prospect profile. It suggests the best approach based on the personality type. And it even provides real-time coaching during the call. Can you believe that? It analyzes speech patterns, it identifies buying signals, and suggests the perfect closing techniques. One client told me it was like having a sales coach whispering in his ear during every call. His close rate went from 23% to 71% in just 2 months. The AI agent was helping him identify objections before they were even voiced and position his solution as the obvious choice. Now, here is what most people don't understand about these AI employees. They are not just individual tools. They work together as a complete system. The lead generation agent feeds prospect to the research agent, which creates intelligence for the proposal agent, which works with the email agent to nurture prospects until they are ready for the sales agent to close them. It's essentially like having an entire sales and marketing department that costs less than a single employee and works 24/7 to grow your business. Look, here's the reality. The business world is changing faster than ever before. The companies that figure out how to leverage AI effectively are going to have a massive competitive advantage over those that don't. And here's what I want you to understand. These AI employees are not about replacing people. They are about freeing your people to do what they do best, which is build relationships, provide expertise, and close deals. Solve complex problems. When you automate the repetitive stuff, the research, the data entry, the follow-ups, the content creation, suddenly your team can focus on the high-value activities that actually move the needle. I've seen this transformation happen over and over again. Business owners who were working 70 hours per week, drowning in admin tasks, stressed about every little details. Then they implement these systems and suddenly they're only working 40 hours a week while the revenue doubles. That's not luck. That's not some get-rich-quick scheme. That's the power of building systems that work for you instead of you working for them. And here's the best part. You don't need a computer science degree to make this happen. You don't need a massive team or a huge budget. You just need to know which tools to use and how to connect them properly. Every single system I've showed you today is being used by real businesses right now. The lead generation agent that found 847 qualified projects, that's running for a client as we speak. The proposal system with a 67% acceptance rate, it just closed another deal yesterday. These are not theoretical concepts. They are proven systems that are generating real results for real businesses. But here's the thing, and this is important. You cannot just copy and paste your systems and expect them to work. They need to be customized for your specific business, your industry, your ideal client. The prompt needs to be tailored to your voice. The workflows need to match your sales process. The integrations needs to connect with your existing tools. That's why most people would try to build these systems on their own, end up frustrated and give up. They get the concept, but they can't make it work for their specific situation. And if you want to see how these AI employees would work specifically in your business, I've got something for you. Click the link in the description to book a free AI audit. We will look at your current processes, identify where you're losing the most time and money, and show you exactly how to implement these systems in your business. During this call, we will map up your entire automation strategy. We'll identify which AI employees you need first, which tools to use, and create a step-by-step implementation plan. But here's the catch. I can only do a limited number of these audits each month because I personally review every business that applies. So if you are serious about scaling your business with AI, don't wait. The link is in the description. Book your free audits now. And look, I get it. Maybe you are thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Or AI is too complicated for my business. I thought the same thing 3 years ago. But then I started seeing the results. Clients after clients scaling +7 figures while working fewer hours. Business owners finally getting their lives back while their revenue grow. The companies that embrace this technology now are going to dominate the industry. The ones that wait are going to be left behind. So the question is not whether AI is going to change your industry. It's whether you are going to be leading the change or scrambling to catch up. Click the link, book the call. Let's build your AI workforce together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.